Hi my friends, today we are reviewing this pole saw. Full kit, comes with a battery, handle, charger, comes with a standalone handsaw. Now this handsaw actually connects to the pole saw, so it's a 2-in-1, and they give you a whole bunch of accessories in here as well. For the blade, make sure you put oil inside here, and then you give it a couple pumps to lubricate the chain. You can tighten the blade right through here. As you can see, it works very fast. Now for using it with the pole saw, we're gonna go ahead and let's see, the battery connects to the bottom. Once you have it placed on the top here, make sure you push this pin up to lock it in place. Now you can adjust it with pressing in this button. You can also extend the pole by lifting and lowering these. You want to pull it back to make it tight when you have the length you want. We're going to go ahead and cut some branches we can't get to. Okay. And just like that, it works great.